Whalawhalahi atu hane e tau walatala tutupu ke lata mea whipinei. Good evening in our news bulletin for tonight. Talahau he pahe malolo sino he motu nā kei tatai e tamayang he tau huki pui pui haniwe mo Samoa. Niue Health Department confirms that Niue's MMR vaccine is not the same batch or supplier as Samoa. Whakahoko e tau whakakuanga ke he Scenic Masawai ke lata mo e tau pisinisi motu. Training held at Scenic Masawai to support local businesses. Whakakise tau makaka he tau whānau ke tau whewa sipo te haunga tulunga I Niawhi. Students displayed athletic ability at the Niue High School Sports Day yesterday. Lahi maha ke ononuanga he tau tangata te whakapuloa tala he Auto Pasifika he mga nei ke he tōu e whānau ne kua mamasi he osia e moa e tau huki whakangata MMR ke he motu ko Samoa. Kua e ke whoki e le kua nei ke whakatupetupe tau loto he whalatama matua ni kua whai ke muke whou ke he motu mai whakaua ke tātua e ke huki ai ke moa e tau huki pui pui me tau ngangau. Whakatu mauni e whahi maalolo seno he motu ke whakawhanua e tau pakailoanga ke he tau tangata ke aua ia ne ke tupetupe ha kua mai longa e longa he tau tala ni whai o whano. Koe tau wala tala ni kua moa mai he motu ko Samoa ni kua pehe. Koe moa e tau vai halau tōru mai he UNICEF si kua moa whoki e tau talahawanga ko Mtaki mai he whahi malolo seno he motu. Ka koe tau vai nei ne kua moa i ki Samoa he mahina hao koso he tau uawhi hong mawhitu ki sia whoki kua whakaonga i ke whalu tu atu motu ke whahi tonga i Amerika pia ke he atu Caribbean si nā kaila whai le kua ne kua moa. Pese ia kua uta kehea he whahi malolo seno ha Samoa e tau vai nei ke nā kai mai ke whakaonga a tō whai kumkumianga hokuru ki ai. Koe toko hong whamalia mawhoki atu mō te Pasifika ne whamahani ke whakaonga i tau huki pui pui MMR sila ia I whoka ni sila ni mo Australia. Tōru e motu lau ia I whoki a Samoa ne ko moa mai e tau huki ne kua tālanga I he taha kautaha I India mo moa mai I UNICEF. He mai nā kai whai motu whoki he Pasifika ne ko moa e whaputa he tau huki pui pui pe ne ni moa e Samoa. Mai longa he whahinga hua malolo seno e tau tupe tau matua ai tuku tuka eke kua whaihuhu pa ke manako talahawanga whoki ke mātuta ki atua I ke whahi malolo seno. Reports by the media and speculation into the death of two 12-month-old babies after receiving the first dose of the MMR vaccine in Samoa has created concern amongst parents. Niue's Public Health Division are reassuring people with young children that Niue's vaccination program is safe and processes are robust and thorough. An advisory sent throughout the region has stated that the MMR vaccine used in Samoa is a 5-dose vial MMR vaccine procured through UNICEF and is a WHO pre-qualified vaccine, which means it is regularly assessed for safety and quality. This particular vaccine batch arrived in Samoa in August of 2017, and the same lot is used in a number of South American and Caribbean countries with no reports of adverse events. The Ministry of Health in Samoa has taken the precautionary approach of temporarily suspending the use of the MMR vaccine pending further investigation. 15 countries in the Pacific, including Australia and New Zealand, are using an MMR vaccine, and 6 are using an MR vaccine. 3 countries, including Samoa, are procuring their vaccines manufactured by the Serum Institute of India through UNICEF. Samoa's MMR vaccine comes in 5-dose vials, while others are using either a 1 or 10-dose vial. Therefore, no vaccines from this specific batch are being used by any other Pacific country. Niue's health officials are advising that if parents are uneasy or unsure, to contact the hospital. O e whakakuanga ni kua whakahoko ai ke lata me tau pisinisi ke he tau matuta kianga me tau tangata ke he tau whahi whenua ewa. Kua lang matai ai he tahi tau tangata ngahua mai he kautaha Scenic Masawai e tau whakakuanga ke mga hopi pongi a ho ua si hai ai fuke taha whakakuanga ke mga hopi whiawhi. Whakahoko e tau whakakuanga nei mo i tau pule he tau pisinisi ni ke whamahani ke whakafue tau kawa Pihia ni me tau tangata ne kua manako ke mua ta whakalulahianga halutū a tau Rosmatala. Koe me te kau he tau business he motu ne kua whakatokatoke e tau whakatokanga pihinei, ne mahani ke tau se he tau te taha ke langmatai atu e tau business, mua te tau business kiki. We langa fōki hai e pualu ne kua whakatū fō halotola tau business, kua lata ke moa e tahe māmanga. Ne tau hawa e Ray Finley, koe molea e onu 4% ni halotola tau tūtaki e me te kau nei, koe tau business ne kua onon fu mahani ke tau whahi whenanga vava. Hanei fu ke tau puhala ke whakamalolo e tau whahi whenanga eva he motu, mai malikisi ha ke mana koe tau tangata ki ni mai ki ni we. Tō whakatumaua chamber ke tau se tau whakakuanga nei, si koe whahi tapu hau, a mana kalutolu ke whakahoku ai, e taha whakakuanga ke lata me te whahi langmatai he first aid. Wai whai ono nuanga ke tuku ai whuki, ke he whala tau tūlahi tau mga hoa whiawhi, ni mai ke tau pule tau business ke kau whakataha i whuki. Host responsibility and customer service was at the core of training held at Scenic Matawai on Tuesday. For some businesses new to this industry, this will set the standard, and for others, this was a refresher course. These types of capacity building opportunities are held by the Chamber of Commerce each year to support businesses and their staff to improve on services.
Two training courses that we offered this week were firstly host responsibility, so looking at venues that are serving alcohol, to just go through with them the protocols that should be in place for the responsible service of alcohol, some skills that staff need to have to implement those protocols, and really a greater awareness about the responsibilities involved with working in a licensed premise. And the other one was looking at customer service. So with 62% of our businesses being tourism related, the ability for businesses here to offer top-notch customer service, so really an opportunity to staff of all levels, particularly if they're in the front line, to participate in a training course that gives them greater skills to be able to deliver that service. We hope to run these courses again later in the year, but also those that participated were encouraged to take that information back to their teams and share it within the teams as well. So we'll look at rolling this out again later in the year, probably after it's not quite so busy after September, and then certainly for businesses, a lot of businesses, business owners came to the workshops, and then they'll deliver the training to their staff. And you know, with most of the businesses, not everybody could attend, and we also had a limited number of spaces as well, so that, you know, we encourage everybody to go back to their workplace and share that information, but we've certainly got a long list of requests for training and workshops, so we hope to really sort of ramp that up over the next 6 months and be able to deliver training courses every single month.
Tourism is Niue's main economic driver, and as tourist numbers increase, there has also been an increase in the types of businesses that are being established.
Well, the membership of the Chamber of Commerce is the highest it's ever been. We've got nearly 190 members of the Chamber, which is great, and certainly every training course that we put out there fills up. So that's a good indicator, and certainly now that we have our funding in place for the next 3 years, it is an opportunity for us to really wind up the program and being able to meet those needs that the private sector has for training and development. There's a number of businesses that are wanting business planning and marketing workshops, so we'll run that for them in the next few months as well. And it's really meeting the needs of the private sector. We'll return with customer service. We've got accounting for small businesses. So, yeah, it's a very varied program. Some of it's sector specific, but some of it goes across all the sectors as well.
The Chamber of Commerce has also looked at providing sessions at times more convenient for private sector who are unavailable during the day due to their business opening hours.
Next week we have first aid training, which I think was a record. That course filled up in 18 minutes, We posted it on Facebook and sent out the email that there was another first aid workshop being held, and phone started ringing immediately. So we've now got a couple more booked. And particularly running one, we've always run them in the afternoons, but running one in the morning, and we've always run them in the mornings, but we're actually running one in the afternoon so that the marine operators, the charter fishermen, they can participate as well, so that we can make sure that they've all got some, at least one person on each of the boats has got some first aid training as well.
Chamber has more capacity building opportunities that they will be rolling out over the next 6 months. Matala he te whānau he aonga toko lunga ke te whiwa sipote halo tūru ni whahoko ke he ahui niawhi langilangi iu he pungpungi kai mai nā kei toko longa la halo tūru ni whahoko te ke kamatanga kai tūmau ni manako he aonga ke kamata he tau tūlāne ko whawhasi. Koe whakaweanga mana atu he aho ke whakaonga he whakahoni we mai kua mai ki ai ke whakakese ke tau puhala kua hea e te fuleni mai whakaonga he wangahau ke te whiwa he aho. Koe matakau tāpalau he tau nei kua takitaki ai he te whiaonga he aonga tokolunga mai tuku atu fōke lilifu ke whaluhukui mai he te whahi he Girls Brigade koe tau leo leo, taonga ni we me te whai spote ke whakapiri atu ai ke te fuleni. Koe ono ono ke fulenga ni take te matakau, hako hako me te laini, mai tautau ni take te fuleni me tau hea. Koe whakakisi manatu ai e whalu te lilifu ke mga aho ne kua mai ke hawhangi aho, kua hai e tau manatu whakamawhana, mai he matua ako ako he e kalekisia Kirisiano ni we, pale ako atu e matua ako ako ko Christopher Langiono, ke tau whanau, ke alanga mui, alanga lele, alanga whiawhia, ke tau whiwa whetoko, kai mua whoke anganga whatoko lalo. Whakakisi manatu ai whoki e ulu aonga ko Charles Ioane, ke whakamalulu e tau whanau, si whakau e whoka ia ke tau matakau ke he kehe, koe tau tua moe tau whaiaonga, ne kua lang mata i ke whakamuli e aho. Wa tuku atu ke ai e uru whakatonu he whai whakako, ke hukuia i ki pule moe hawhangi ai e aho. Koe whailoanga ke he tau tutuanga mai he tau puleni, kau tu e matakau hapua, tu ua ki ato, tu tolu alanga kali, mai tu wha a moea. Koe whala tau whiua pui tuwhi loloa kua whiitani e whakahoko ke whahita pua mole, si koe tau whiua ne kua tause ke ahu niawhi, koe wha seo mita, taha seo mita, ua seo mita, moe tau whiua ke male, koe hopo loa, lisi lapasosa, lisi he taumasila, moe lisi polomamafa, hai e whoki, e olopua niu, moe tā seka, ne whakakatoa toi aho, moe tau whiua relay, e whuki me tuwhutufang he tau pene, moe tau whakamailonga malutou, ne kautua i ke tau whuputa he tau takitaha. Ne whakausi ai whoki, koe amanakianga ke whakausi ai whoki, e kuata nei, ke he aho, me pongi, te ua tu e te whianga, mai tau whanau ke okioki ai ke uwhai tapu, tuliriu, ke kamata e kuata ke tūrua ki. Niue High School's annual sports day started off slightly overcast, but that did not deter students from competing. Despite a low spectator turnout in the early hours of the morning, organisers made sure that the program started on time, with the first event, the March Pass. This year was straightforward, with no fancy moves or chants, but focused on straight lines and teams marching in sync with the caller's instructions. While judges deliberated over the scores, the formalities started with words of encouragement by Reverend Christopher Langiono to compete in the spirit of faith and endurance. Principal Charles Ioane reminded students to compete and display good sportsmanship and remain humble in victory and even in defeat. Director of Education Bertha Tongahau spoke on behalf of the minister, who was unable to join in the first part of the program, and she officially opened the day. Alan Tanopuliusi spoke on behalf of the judges to announce the final marching placings. Pua team took first place this year, Kieto in second, Langakali in third, and Moya in fourth. Some of the events had already been held last week, but students competed in the 400 metres, 100 metres, 200 metres, and the field events, javelin, discus, shot put, and long jump. There was even coconut bowling and sika throwing. The day concluded on a high note with the open relay and the distribution of medals and trophies for the top runners in each age group. A great effort by all, as the school term ends tomorrow and students and teachers get a 2-week break before returning for term 3. And those are the news stories that we have for you this evening. This is also my last news bulletin for this year. Thank you for your support and company over the years, and I look forward to seeing you on my return. Pehena e te walatala ne kua mō mai ke lata mea whiwhi nei, ko e te walatala whakihiku whoki anei haku, ke lata me tau nei, a mana ki ni ke mawhala e tau ne hangawa te kiai, kau e ke hawa ka whataha mai, he halaloa heo mai, a mana ki ni ke liliu whiwhi penei whoki ke tau hō. Kia nono whā, nui ne pō, tuli liu ke whiwhi.